interrupted with the Rapi Library DLL blocking remote API for Windows mobile workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To kick off the manual repair for Rapi Library, you can also find an official toolkit designed for system-level synchronization. This is the Rapi Library, the Remote Application Programming Interface, RAPI. It facilitates localized unmanaged localized communication between localized Windows PCs and localized legacy localized mobile devices, Windows Mobile and CE. Essential for localized legacy localized data transfer shims. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. This error typically involves a protected Windows system file. Open command prompt with administrator privileges and run sfc/scan now to verify system integrity and restore damaged files like Rapi Library DLL. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Rapi library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. If that didn't clear the error, follow these instructions to modify your system paths. If you need to pause the video to type these out, please do so. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. Remember that manual replacement of Rapi Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. The link in the description references a professional diagnostic scan resource associated with Rapi Library and PC Health. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Rapi Library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.